Buongiorno, viva Italia. What is Valentine Day? I don't know what is Valentine Day, but I know this is 1/64 Tomytec Lamborghini Miura S model. Oh my god, in phone finish. Why did you have to get a girlfriend in Valentine when you can get one of these beauty online for 5,000 yen? That's fucking expensive, but here we are. It's my basically it's my girlfriend for Valentine. It's magnificent. Right, let's unbox this boy. Okay, right, as you can see, very thick box and very well, I mean, it's bloody quality. This is fab because you have to put the mirror on, but basically this is the first ever mid-engine car. So as you can see, there's a stats right there. And this car have 350 brake horsepower. That's a lot back in the day. This car was originally built at 1965. I mean, that's basically it. Basically, you just need to know that this is the Ferrari Destroyer. This is the first ever mid-engine supercar in the world. Yes. Oh god, no. Now I'm gonna ruin this so bad. I already ruined it. Right, here it is. It's a car. It's in gold. Who not love it? Oh god damn, look at this. Oh, we're gonna get back to that later. But anyways, here it is, the Miura. I've always loved the Miura. It's probably my favorite Lamborghini, my most favorite Lamborghini out of all time. I mean, come on, just look at the detail on this car. The thing here that's bothered me the most about this car is, well, it's very simple. The mirror, you have to attach it yourself. So basically, it's very annoying. As you can see here, there's the black mirror. Oh shit! Sorry, that's what you don't want to hear. But anyways, back to this car. Now this car is, it might be the cheapest Miura I can find on Amazon, but it's still nice. I mean, the color, man, is just magnificent. There's one with red and gold wheels, which look a bit like Vietnamese flag, but it's too expensive. And there's one which is blue, light blue. It's not light blue, but it's like this kind of blue. It's like this kind of blue. Right, there's an announcement not there, but basically that is the SV version, which have red paint and gold wheels and gold side, whatever that is, what it's a side skirt or whatever. Here it's, oh my god, it's magnificent, and I will get back to this later. But this, I mean, come on, it's just magnificent for the price. It's actually wild, and I think that I will not bother put the mirror on, because if you're diehard car enthusiast, you will know that the Miura originally never come with a side view mirror. Never. It was an option that the owner had to fix it later on, so like put it on by themselves. The Lamborghini, they did not give a fuck about whether or not you cannot see the rear, and so they just produced the Miura, every single Miura actually, with no side mirror. You have to like assemble it yourself after you bought the car, which is, well, I mean, it's quite same with this. So I don't know if I should put it on. Maybe I will, but I'm still looking for the cell phone glue or something that it's a glue to stick the cell phone, and it's well, I mean, it's much safer and it's much better to use than the normal sticky glues, which cause a lot of damage to your paint. I mean, just look at the paint finish. This is the S model, so this is not the normal Miura, and it's a bit, I think it's a bit more powerful than the normal Miura. This is the S, and there's the SV version. But come on, look at the wheels on this thing. It just look magnificent. It really does look nice. Look at that. Oh god damn, that just looked so nice. I mean, the detail is spot on, man. You have to see this on person so you will see how good it is. Yeah, you can see Miura S, and the underside is, oh, it's so nice. It's very nicely detailed. It's overall just magnificent. There is the Lamborghini badge and the Miura S badge here. Right, let me zoom in. Right, there it is, Miura S. As you can see, this tail light is a bit, it's a bit off, but I think I can fix it. Maybe I can fix it, I don't know. There it is, just adjusting it. Oh, it's not. Okay, it's okay, it's okay. I still love it. It's in gold finish, which is nice. I love this color. It's much better than that bright yellow, because this car also have a bright yellow and I don't really like it, and it's expensive too. So let's get to the exciting part, which is the the opening bonnet and engine bay. Oh, look at this. I mean, come on, man, this is just magnificent. It's just on another level. And here is the big block V12. Oh fuck, I forgot the displacement. Wait, this is very professional of me forgetting the displacement. I think it's all in here, but it's in Japanese. Where is the displacement? P400. I think this. Oh, there it is. 3.9 liter V12, pushing 300 horsepower. And the S version is, I think it said 20 horsepower here, which mean it like it's more than the normal Miura for 20 horsepower. I think the normal Miura only have like 320 or something. This is 350. No, wait. Yes, the normal Miura have 330 horsepower. Yes, sorry. Here is the horizontal. Is it horizontal or vertical? Horizontal. Yes, horizontally placed 3.9 liter V12 pushing 350 horsepower. Very modest when it comes to modern time, but back then it was, I think, is it the fastest production car? Or is it the Countach? Yeah, I don't like the Countach. It's, I mean, it looked cool, but it's too, how can I say? It's too triangle for me. It's too angular for me. I like a wedge shape design, like a very smooth design like this. Yeah, anyway, the bonnet on the front boot, it's just a spare tire. I mean, come on, that's just nice. That's really nice. And some electrical component. And this car is known to be very easy to caught on fire, obviously, because it's a Lamborghini. And look at the interior. I mean, I haven't even get to, oh, okay, right, I will get to the problem with the opening, with the functioning bonnet and the engine bay later. But let's just look closely into this interior for a moment, because oh boy, just appreciate how good the detail is. I mean, you can see the steering wheel, but it's not much else. But the seat is nice. Everything is very nicely detailed. I mean, the chrome is nicely detailed. Everything is just spot on, man. And it's in gold finish, and it's very nice. Oh my god, look at the exhaust system. That's basically all I have to say. This car don't have suspension because it's too low. I still wish it's half suspension though. If it's half suspension, it's gonna be magnificent. The front, okay, let's go through the front, shall we? Yes, it look very happy, and it's look beauty. I mean, sexy as hell, man. Just look at that. There's that curvy body, that side skirt in silver. It's so nice, man. There is the front lights. Realize it's also so nice, and we have this engine cover. I mean, it's not even a window, by the way. It's not even the window. Right, so I really love this car, and it's a very good Valentine present for myself, obviously. And it's I mean, it's nice, and it's my first ever Italian Tomytec. Yes, it's my first Italian car. when it comes to Tomytec, because Italian car, there's Alfa Romeo, but I don't really want to buy it. And like Italian car, Lamborghini, Ferrari, it's always been very expensive, so I never really want to buy it. But I got a discount on this car, and oh yes, it's very good value for money. Now let's get back to the problem with this opening it is functioning bonnet and engine cover, which is it's very fragile and it's not latched properly. So as you can see, it stay up right now, but if you just put it down, right, just put it down, and if you just flip the car, yeah, you see it's not staying in one place. It's very loose. I'm very annoying. This is very annoying. I'm got annoyed about this because so like half of the car, or I mean 1/3 of the car, 2/3 of the car is opening, and sometimes you grab on the rear and it just, oh god, you just feel so bad because it just, you know, just fall down like that because it's not latched properly. So that's a very annoying thing. If you're holding it or like mistakenly like rip this off, it's very expensive and it's so bad. I just wish they put some kind of magnet on it so that it's latched in place properly, because it's so loose. It's very loose, as you can see. Yeah, I just flipped it and it just, yeah, it's not staying in place. The front one is a bit less, you know, a bit less bad, but it, you know, it's still loose. Yeah, there it is. Actually, this happened to every Miura from Tomytec because they just not latch it properly. I wish they have like a magnet and something like that, but it will cost more and stuff. So there you go. Engine, front boot here, and the engine cover, or I just call it the bonnet, obviously. But there you go, my first ever Lamborghini, well, I mean first ever Lamborghini Tomytec and Italian car. I'm surprised because I should go for a Ferrari. I always love a Ferrari more than a Lamborghini because, I mean, for me, a Lamborghini is very harsh, the styling is very crazy, which I'm not really into. I into something smooth, something elegant, and you know, that kind of stuff. But here I am, and I think this is the most elegant Lamborghini ever created. Absolutely. Every Lamborghini have always been like very crazy and like, you know, crazy style. This car it's crazy when it first came out. When you look more at it, it just looked beautiful, you know. So it win my heart. I choose it over a Ferrari, which is a rare thing, because I will always choose a Ferrari over a Lamborghini no matter what. But in this case, it's the Lamborghini, and I'm gonna be absolutely happy about it. Look at this beauty. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Oh, and by the way, this being my first Lamborghini, I still have another Ferrari coming soon, so stay tuned for that. I might bought the Alfa Romeo Tomytec, but let's see later. For now, it's signed. Oh wait, I forgot. Yes, because this wheel is so detailed that they don't have brake calipers. Yeah, normally they would have, but I mean, I can understand they cut costs, and you know, it's the rims is covering most of the space to put the brakes anyways. So there you go. Missing suspension and brake calipers. Apart from that, the detail is still spot on. Tomytec is probably the best 164 model car out there. Basically, the tire is detailed. It's working, functioning gimmicks. It's very nice. Anyway, thank you for watching. The intro is a bit weird, I know, but yeah, I really just happy because I got this car. So there it is. Sign off, I guess. Ciao.